What if the speed of light isn't just a cosmic rule, but a tear in the fabric of our intuition? It's a number. 186,282 miles per second. The ultimate speed limit. But has anyone ever told you why it's the limit? Not just that it is, but the real physical reason you can't push past it. The answer isn't a barrier. It's a revelation about reality itself. It forces us to see that space and time are not a stage we act upon, but a dance we are part of. And if you follow this thread, you'll find it's connected to the very nature of existence, starting with the falling apple. Consider a simple truth. Gravity pulls things down. Galileo timed it. In 1 second, an object drops 16 feet. Now, look up. The moon is orbiting Earth. Is it falling? In a profound sense, yes, it is perpetually falling towards our planet. But its tremendous sideways motion means it keeps missing. It's in a state of eternal, graceful descent. Newton saw a link. The moon is 60 times farther from Earth's core than we are. If gravity weakens with the square of distance, its pull at the moon should be 3,600 times weaker. So, how far should the moon fall toward Earth in 1 second under this gentler pull? The math yields a tiny fraction of an inch. When Newton extended this calculation, he found that precise, minuscule fall rate perfectly explained the moon's curved path. One universal law now described a falling apple and a celestial orbit. This was the spark. Science became a chain reaction of discovery, where solving one mystery gives you the tool to unlock the next. Take the moons of Jupiter. Astronomers found their orbits didn't match Newton's predictions perfectly. They were sometimes minutes off. A lesser mind might have questioned the law of gravity, but old Rachmer had a brilliant, counterintuitive hunch. What if light has a finite speed? What if we're seeing those moons not as they are, but as they were? The timing discrepancies weren't errors. They were a hidden message. By trusting Newton's law, Rachmer could decode that message to calculate light speed for the first time. Think about that. We didn't find light speed by chasing light. We found it by watching the clockwork of the heavens stutter. A law of gravity led us to a property of light. And this is where common sense begins to fracture. You're on a train moving at 500,000 miles per hour. You shine a flashlight forward. Intuition screams the light beam should be its speed, plus the train's speed. But it isn't. Measure it. It's exactly the same as if you were standing still. This fact is an earthquake for physics. Speed doesn't add for light. It is stubbornly, absolutely constant. No matter how fast you chase it, light retreats at the same pace. This isn't a quirk of optics. It's a decree from the universe. The speed of light is the same for all observers. Einstein asked, what kind of universe would enforce such a rule? The answer is, a universe where space and time are not rigid and separate, but fluid and intertwined. They must warp and adjust to keep light speed constant. If you move through space very fast, your time must slow down. Lengths in your direction of travel must contract. These aren't illusions. They are the real geometric adjustments of spacetime. Light speed isn't a limit on the universe. It is the universe's signature. This leads to the ultimate wall. As you accelerate an object, its resistance to further acceleration increases, not from friction, but from relativity itself. To reach light speed, mass would require infinite energy. The universe mathematically says no. Only massless particles, like photons, can travel at this cosmic speed. For them, time does not pass. The moment of creation and absorption are the same instant. But why is this the structure? Imagine your total motion through reality is fixed. You are always moving at a single speed through combined spacetime. If you are stationary in space, all your motion is through time. When you run, You divert some of that motion from time into space. You are literally trading time for distance. The speed of light is that fixed rate of total motion. If you could divert all of it into motion through space, you'd have none left for time. Time would stop. You cannot go faster than all. This is why exceeding light speed isn't just hard. It's akin to moving backwards in time, violating causality itself. The universe protects the sequence of cause and effect. This is confirmed not in theory, but in practice. GPS satellites must correct for time dilation caused by their speed and Earth's gravity, or they'd be useless in minutes. Particles in giant accelerators push against this relativistic resistance, their mass ballooning as predicted. Muons, born in the upper atmosphere, reach the ground because their incredible speed stretches their brief lifetime. So, the limit isn't about light, it's about information, cause, and connection. It is the maximum rate at which any event can whisper to another part of the cosmos. It is the threading that weaves the universe into a coherent whole, where the past can influence the future, but never the other way around. From Newton's apple to Einstein's revelation, this is the avalanche of human understanding. Each layer of truth gives us a foothold to climb to the next. And this journey is far from over. If you found this exploration of reality's fabric fascinating, show some love. It helps the channel winds of thought bring more deep dives like this to you. Drop a like and subscribe to join the quest. The cosmic speed limit isn't a wall, it's the shape of reality.